Hello everyone. Now we are seeing an experiment called brake drum skimming. The aim of the experiment is to skim the brake drum. The operators required to perform this experiment are the brake drum and a lathe machine. When the drum brake is likely to wobble when rotating, it may cause some distortions on the surface of the drum. This normally causes an irritating noise during the application of brake. This also result of uneven surface which may also affect the brake shoes or the pads. The other reason or cause for the distortion of the drum is when the friction lining wears beyond recommended levels. This makes a metal on metal contact, creating some distortions on the surfaces. So to remove these kind of distortions, the disc brake or the drum brake undergoes skimming. A lathe machine is used to perform this exercise. This exercise is carried out by a person who knows the basic operations of machining. Hello everyone, this experiment is brake drum skimming machine. So you can see the various components of brake drum skimming. So this is almost pretty much similar to a lathe machine. So this is going to be called as the tailstock, and this is the headstock, where you can have the control over the speed limits with respect to the belts. And this is going to be the 3-jar check, which can hold the workpiece or the material. And this is a tool post where the tool is carried out here, and you can see the rail and almost the control levers with respect to the horizontal and vertical movements. And this is going to be the bed. So the objective or purpose of this experiment is to skim the brake, the drum brake. This is going to be the drum brake. So skimming has to be done. So what do you mean by skimming? Skimming is a process done on a metal or material by removing a certain layer to restore the original shape or surface. Okay? So there will be some smooth surface. So after some wear and after usage of up to some extent, it has to be gained to its original shape. So for that we are going to do skimming. So here we are going to do the brake drum skimming. So how we are going to do this brake drum skimming is, you can see here the brake drum is placed to the 3-jar check, and other side the tool is there, the cutting tool is there. The cutting tool is placed near to the edge of the brake drum, and once if you switch on the apparatus or the equipment, the brake drum will start to rotate. Then afterwards the material removing process will take place. So now you can see this. Now you can see the skimming is done. Now you can see the uniform rough surface. So you can, once if you are seeing the uniform rough surface, then it is eligible for proper braking. If there is no rough surface and there is only a smooth surface with respect to the brake drum, then there will be no proper braking. So for efficient braking of the drum brakes, there should be a uniform rough surface, as you can see here. Yes, you can see here, right? This part. So there is a proper uniform wear distribution, and there will be more friction from this, then there will be a good braking.